Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.7, Problem 15. This is Section 2.7, Problem 15. It says find an equivalent fraction by filling in the blank. And we have 6 equals blank over 16. Well, to get the problem started, let me just change that. Instead of just 6, let's write as 6 over 1 equals blank over 16. So now I really have 2 fractions with a numerator and denominator. So now first compare the denominators. The denominator of 1 times some value multiplied to 16. Well, it must be times 16. 1 times 16 is 16. So I have to multiply the same value times the numerator. So the numerator of 6 times 16 gives us our new numerator. Now I can multiply that and I see that it's 96 without writing it out. Let's say you're not really sure. Just take the few seconds that it's going to take, go off to the side and write it out. 16 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Write the 6, carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus the 3 more that you carried. 6 plus 3 more. It is 96. So 96 over 16 is equivalent to just 6.